Thanks for taking a brief moment to walk through this beautiful 2021 Harris Cruiser 210. It is a triple tube boat powered by a Mercury 115 Pro XS. Has less than 30 hours on it, and the boat is absolutely loaded with goodies. It's in fantastic shape and priced at an absolute steal. You will save a ton of money versus anything new comparable in class. For questions about this boat or any of our other boats in our vast catalog, you can reach us at area code 847-872-3200. And my direct extension is 1013. Take care.